Mathematics. 1. Clock and time. 1. What time is it when the short hand is at 7 and the long hand is at 12? The answer is 7 o'clock. 2. If school starts 8 and ends at 12, how many hours is school? The answer is 4 hours. Number 2. Measurements of lengths. 1. Which is longer, a pencil or a ruler? The answer is ruler. 2. Measure a book using a coin. How many coins long it is? The answer is 10 coins. Circle 3. Circle the object that is the shortest. Spoon, broom, or crayon. The answer is crayon. 3. Measurement of waste. 1. Which is heavier, bag of rice or cotton? The answer is bag of rice. If a toy car weighs less than a ball, which one is lighter? The answer is toy car. 3. Write something that is heavy and something that is light. The answer is heavy, piano, light, yarn. 4. Measurement of capacity. Each container holds more water, a bucket or a cup. The answer is bucket. If a glass is full and another is half full, which is less? The answer is half full. Circle the container that holds the least. Jug, ball, tail, thimble. The answer is thimble. Number 5. 2D shapes. Name these. 1. How many sides does a triangle have? The answer is 3. 2. How many sides does a circle have? The answer is 0. 6. 3D solids. Name these shapes. It's cube, sphere, and cylinder. 1. Which solid looks like a ball? The answer is sphere. 2. Which solid looks like a can? The answer is cylinder. 7. Fraction. 1. If you cut in a pizza into 2 equal slices and you eat one, which fraction is left? Answer is 1/2.